you will see a noticeable difference between to the left of it and to the right of it. Okay, so if you are in charge of your company's carpet cleaning and you would like a second opinion maybe on your carpets, maybe you've already got somebody in at the moment who are cleaning your carpets, and you want a second opinion about the service that they're providing and possibly the price, then why not give ProSteamUK a call on 01252 319 391, or you can visit our website www.prosteamuk.com.